In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add plugins to a Minecraft Forge server. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see here, I have my Minecraft Forge server properly set up, and after you create your Minecraft Forge server, you need to do two things. The first one is to download Sponge, so go to spongepowered.org and click the Downloads tab at the top. In here you can download Sponge Forge, and once you download this file, you will get a jar file like this one that you need to place inside the mods folder on your Minecraft Forge server directory. So again, this is where my Minecraft Forge server is located, and I just have to drop the Sponge Forge jar file inside the mods folder. After I download and put Sponge Forge inside the mods folder, I need to go back to my web browser and now go to r.spongepowered.org, and from here you can find the plugins for your Forge server. Alternatively, just select Plugins or from the home page. In here, like I said, you have a lot of options of plugins to add to your server. In this example, I'm going to add a world added to my server. I simply have to choose the plugin, select versions at the top, and download the latest version of the plugin. Again, usually it's going to arrive in a jar file like this one. After you get the jar file for your plugin, simply drop it inside the mods folder, and now when you host your server by using the Minecraft server jar, the plugins will be active as long as you have Sponge active with the plugins. I hope I was able to help you on how to add plugins to a Minecraft Forge server. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.